Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program for division of two numbers. So given two numbers, so you have to print the result of division of two numbers. So let's get started. So let's say num1 is equals to, let's ask a user to enter the first number. So let's use a input function call and let's say enter first number. Yeah, so this might be a floating point also. So let's convert this to a floating point. Yeah, so once the user enters the first number, so let's take another variable that is num2 is equals to, so let me copy paste the same and ask user to enter second number. This is just second. Yeah, so once we get two numbers, so first let's check if num2 is 0. So then we have to print that is division by 0 is not possible. So if num2 equals to 0, so then we'll be printing an error message that is division by 0 is not possible. Yeah, so this we are trying to handle the zero division error or exception. So if number 2 is not equals to 0, so it has some value. So let's try to use the else block and try to print the result. That is, let's say result of division is, let's give in the flower braces. So let's try to use print formatting, and here so what we do is we try to take the number 1, try to divide it by number 2, and this we are trying to float format, that is 0.2f. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program for division of two numbers. So let's try to run this and let's see how it works. So first for the negative scenario, so let's give 5 and second number is 0. So you can see the error message has been handled. So let me run this again and let's give something like 5 and let's give 2. So you can see division, that is result of division is 2.5. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program for division of two numbers.